Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Devil Boats by Joe Carter, put out by Compass Games. We are continuing our um, Anthony Hudson campaign, and we are Lieutenant JG. We are still sitting at 265 points, which is not doing too good so far. Most of that came in one big pop when we got lucky and took out a destroyer. But it gives us the basis we need for not losing our command right away, so we're not going to complain too much. We're going to be doing July 10th today. There's our crew members. Most of them have 7 missions. AA2 has 6. That was my one big veteran ace, and he got taken away. As you see, we've only gotten 2 kills, and PT2 has gotten both of them. And right now, PT2 is still on being repaired, so they're using my backup boat. Um, Everybody's available. We had another calm night to Zone 2. Let's see what we get on this one. See if we get any luck and start getting some kills or some good stuff. So nobody's elite, so we don't need to check for that. Malaria, 5, no malaria. Weather check, 6, poor weather. Always makes for an interesting one. Nightly mission assignment, 3, going to be another offensive patrol. Have had nothing but them so far. And we're going to be going into Zone 6. That's a welcome change. Well, hopefully it's a welcome change. Hopefully it means we're going to get something, but really all that does is give us more chances for air combat, which I don't like, because we rarely shoot them down. PT boats assigned to the mission will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Boat 2 using our reserve boat. IGN air attacks on the base. 4, there will be no attacks. Sea state in Zone 1. 5 will be 3. Random event, nothing, 86. IGN air patrol, 4, nothing. Go to Zone 2. Sea state in the zone, 8. Going to be 3 still. Random event, 57, nothing. IJN air, 4, nothing. Go to Zone 1, yellow. Sea state in the zone, 4. Go down to 2. Random event, 84, nothing. IJN air patrol, 6, nothing. Go to Zone 4, yellow. Sea state in the zone, 9. Going to go up to poor, or 4 really. And we will not be able to go fast. Random event, 29, nothing. IJN air, 5, nothing. Go to Zone 5, passing by the Gizo Island, tongue twisted, and sea state, 8. Goes down to 3, settles down a little bit. Random event, 46, nothing. IJN Air Patrol, 3, nothing. We go to yellow 6, through the Gizo Strait into the Vela Gulf. Sea state in the zone, 7. Going to stay at 3. Random event, 25, nothing. IJN Air, 10. Damn it. Well, we knew it was coming, and at least we got it now before we get into the red zone. Well, hopefully we don't get it in the red zone. I'd like to get a convoy. Air Patrol will be a Mitsubishi F1M. They will have a crew of green. Yes, sir. Green. Bring it on. and they will be trying to drop. Actually, not drop. They will be just doing a strafe attack. So that's what I like to see. If we stand a chance, that's the combination. Defensive fire. We have poor weather, so that's -2. Or defensive spotting, rather. Um, +4 will be a +2 because of the PT boats in the squadron. We have no eagle eye, so we're going to have +2. 8, 9, 10. We actually spot them. Hello. With the poor weather, I'm going to stay at medium speed because that's going to make my separation check a little easier. So I'm going to stay at medium speed, contemplating whether I want to slow down and go for a kill. Just a strafe attack. Let's do it. We really need to get some points. I don't normally do this, but against a green crew with a light plane, this is worth the chance. I'm going to slow. PT boat number 1, defensive fire. We have a sea state of 3, correct? Yes. +1. +2 for the for the slow boat. So we're going to get an 8, 9, or 10. And that was a temporary, so that's gone. So anything else? It's not supposed to be there. Nope. So 8, 9, or 10 for all of our gunners. Bow gun, 4 misses. AA1, 9, possible hit. 7, superficial, at least we got a hit. AA2, misses jams and is out for the rest of the combat. And that brings up bow gun. 7, 8, 9 misses. So number 2, PT Duke, number 2, he needs, again, he's going to have +2, but he's a veteran, so that's +3. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Gets one possible hit right there. A miss. Killing me, Joe. And 2 possible hits right there. A miss and a miss. Lovely. 8, 9, 10 for boat 3. Misses and possible hit, miss. And 9, 10 for boat 4. Possible hit, miss. And 2 misses. So we only got the 1. That'll be enough to give them a 10 only, but still this is very discouraging. Spotted and sustained hits, -2. -3. And get the idea. +1 is still -2. So all of us, there's not going to have enough. He's just needing 10. So we're going to target 1. 9 misses. Look at his rolls. 9 misses. Yeah, you see how this is going? Now you know why I complain about my dice all the time. 6 misses and 3 misses. So does he drop a star shell? 7. I do not believe he does. No, he does not, and he's going to disappear. But that was my big chance. I mean, we had a good possibility of shooting down a light, and we get 1 fucking superficial out of 16 shots. That is disgusting. And I even slowed down to make it possible. Separation. This is why I really did the slowdown. Poor weather, +2. We don't want that fast being in there. So +2. So that's 8, 9, 10 for us. We're fine. PT number 2 is a veteran, so that's 9 or 10 for them. He's fine. Boat 3, 8, 9, 10. Oh, he's separated. It sucks. And boat 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10. And he's fine. So 3 separates. We go back to the main tables. We roll for boat separated. 56, he's going to be fine. Return to base fine. So we'll put him down as an abort. All right. And that just leaves 3 of us. And that was my air patrol contact. Then we move into our offensive zone for the first time. The sea state will be 10, 4, not good. Random event. Of course we do. We get a random event. 9, radio fails. Radio is disabled for the remainder of the mission. Very nice. That's going to make things harder. IJ and Air Patrol, -2. +2 is 0, so we're just looking at a 10. 5, no go. Convoy, -1. So we have a 10, 4, nothing. Shore Patrol, Shore Gun, Shore Patrol, going back into Marine days, -1, so that's just going to be a 10, nothing. Pardon me. Turn number 2 in the zone. Sea state 2 goes down to 2, that's much better. Random event. Jesus Christ. 3. Tropical storm system encountered. Bad weather occurs each zone for the remainder of the mission. System random event was already encountered. Ignores this result. Bad weather. There goes my offensive mission. You realize that, right? I'm not going to re-roll for the sea state. We're going to stick for the 2. IGN Patrol 8 be nothing. Convoy, we're again looking for 10s. Well, actually got a +1. Yeah, +1, 9 or 10. 1. Ensure gun 2. Nothing there. Go for our third turn in zone. Sea state, this time we have bad weather. 9, 5. A and B go to table A8. We may not travel fast, and nobody's being towed. So we go to A8. Bad weather. Roll a D10. 8, no event. Oh, 9, 10. Sea state of 5. Storm event occurs. Roll a D6. 6. Possible collision. Oh, lovely. For each PT boat and squadron. Boat number 1, no collision. Boat number 2, 4. Oops. 3. Collision occurs but no damage. And boat 4. 5. Of course he does. PT boat collides and sustains damage. Roll 1 die 10. 9. Flooding damage 1 point to 4. Lovely. And then we go to table A9, PT boat separation. Roll 1 die 10, 2, 5, because our radio is disabled. Remain in formation, go to A10, random event. No random event, IJN error. 2, no error, convoy. 8, no convoy. Shore guns, no shore guns. Last chance. Bad weather, I'm not seeing it. 3, sea state will go back down to 3, that's a bonus. And we go to table A8. 4, no event, go to 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. PT boat becomes permanently separated from the squadron. 6, all PT boats separated. PTs must remain. So for the remainder of the mission, go to a table A14, and that is it. We're going to be done. Oh boy. Thanks for that radio event. Well, A14, boat number 1, 9. Oh, that changed too. Somewhere along the line, I didn't see that. Um, 9. This is boat number 2 who's got no damage. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 4. They're fine. Boat number 4, 15. He's going to be fine. He does have a flooding. That's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. That's 8. Even green, 7. He's fine. So he returned to base, and we're going to go back to. We got to return to base. That was bad weather. Random event. 07. No random event. Almost. IJN air. Jesus Christ, you're kidding me. One freaking boat, and I'm going to get aired. Sometimes you feel like the odds are just against you. IJN Air Patrol skill level. Well, the plane will be a Mitsubishi. Should have left them out there. F1M. He's going to have a crew skill of average, and he's going to come after us with a strafing attack. So that's not too horrible. I'm definitely not thinking we're going to shoot him down. We don't have to worry about separation, so we're just going to stay. We're going to hopefully, well, we might not even spot him. Spotting roll was a 3. We did not spot him, so he's going to strafe us. He needs 10. 1 misses. IJN Air Patrol Star Shell drop. 4, no drop. He will disappear. We don't have to worry about separation. We are already separated and by ourselves. So we go back to going to yellow 6, sea state in the zone. Bad weather 4 goes to 3. Random event 46, nothing. IJN Air Patrol contact, nothing. Go to 5. 5. Sea state in the zone. Oh, I forgot. Bad weather. Got a little ahead of myself. Storm event. 7. No event. Separation, don't need it. So, okay, now we go back to sea state of 4. Bad weather. Storm event. 9. No event. Don't worry about separation. Random event. No random event. IJN air. 4. Nothing. Go to 4. Sea state. 7. Goes back down to 4, or stays at 4 rather. Bad weather storm event. 4. No event. Random event. 40. No random event. IJN air patrol. 6. Nothing. Go to yellow 1. Sea state. 4. Goes down to 3. Bad weather storm event. 2. No event. Random event. 75. Nothing. IJN air. Nothing. Go to green 2. Sea state. 4. Stays at 3. Bad weather storm event. 3. No event. Random event. 24. Nothing. IJN air. 5. Nothing. Go to 1. Sea state in the zone. 7. Goes back up to 4. Bad weather storm event. 2. No event. Random event. 48. No event. IJN air. 10. Good Lord help me. Yeah, we get another one. Air patrol contact. And of course, he will be a bigger one. A6M2. He'll have a crew of average, and he's going to attack us with a strafe attack. Defensive spotting. 7. Not going to happen. You know what? Did I screw myself here? We're air patrol cover. No, bad weather. I'm just making sure. All of a sudden I couldn't remember whether they came in bad weather or not. So we do not see him. He's going to strafe us. Needs a 10. 1 misses. Star shell. 2 no star shell. He disappears. And that should get us home. And does. Good Lord. Don't get them 10s when I need them. Just when I'm rolling for air patrols. And that's the end of that mission, which was pretty shitty. I should almost give these guys a, you know what? We had 3 turns in the zone, so I'm going to call that a mission for each crew, even though they had to go home, because they already technically completed the mission by spending a turn in the offensive zone. So we're going to next day. No, we did not abort. 2 did not abort. 3 did abort before we got there. And 4 did not abort. So, there you have it. They should have had 8, I think. No, 2 did not run the 1. They did not run the 1. We went out short. So I think that's right. You have to trust the math. So again, no contacts. We are not having a good campaign so far. And again, we have 0. We did not lose any, but we did not gain any. And we will real quick go in and check our damage repair times. We have the radio out, but that is only 40 points. And we took no other damage, so we will have that repaired right away. The flooding for PT4, 40 points, so he will be ready right away. So we're good on PT boats, and but we're not good on the campaign so far. So sorry, folks. I will get you guys an exciting mission somewhere along the line. I mean, this was an exciting when we had to deal with the weather. We got a couple planes come after us. You see how poorly my dice were, even when I tactically slowed down to try and take a light plane out of the sky, and it just blew up in my face. So, um, this is what it is. You guys can actually watch it to make yourself feel better about your dice rolls, because mine are probably the worst. Thanks for joining me. You all have a great night, and as much as I bitch about my dice rolls, I do enjoy doing this. So, just so you know, I just like complaining. What the hell? Have a good night. Thanks for joining me.